Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can send cancelled Razorpay payment notifications on Telegram automatically. Now suppose somebody is paying you through Razorpay payment gateway for something which you have been selling online. Now what will happen if his or her payment will get cancelled? An automatic message will be sent to your Telegram channel where you already have your team members or your employees to work upon these details which are coming from here Razorpay account. Okay, now what will happen if the payment fails? They can directly call or contact the customer about the issue that has been happening, that why is this payment being failed or what is the problem with the customer. Okay, now if you want to do this automation, you have to use an integration and automation software service Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Razorpay with our Telegram. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are now at our screen. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to the address bar and type in Pabbly pabbly.com/connect and press enter. And whenever you will press enter, you will be redirected to this beautiful web page. Now here, what you have to do, you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now if you already have an account, you have to go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you can just go and click up for sign up free. And signing up is absolutely free, plus it will also give you 100 free tasks from our side so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay, now I already have an account here, so I'll just go for sign in, and here I will log into my account. And now you can see this is the place where I have my all the softwares. So I am going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see when it will open, we will be redirected to a dashboard here of Pabbly Connect. You can see this. These are my automations. Now what I am going to do, I have to create a new automation. So I will just go and click on create workflow. Now here I am going to give it the name Razorpay to Telegram, because I am connecting Razorpay to Telegram. You can name it whatever you want to. Now I will just go and click on create. And this is the place where I will do my automation. So let me tell you, we have two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or where the final event is happening. So here what we are going to do, our trigger will be the payment which we are going to do or receive in our Razorpay account, and those payments will be the failed payments. The details of those payments will come here. Okay, now trigger event will be payment failed. Now as you can see, the trigger is payment failed, the application is Razorpay, and here we have the webhook URL. Now what is the webhook URL? Webhook URL is the URL which will help us connect our Razorpay account with our Pabbly Connect account here. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to follow these steps here, and I will just copy the webhook URL and use it to connect my Razorpay account to Pabbly Connect account. Now let me just quickly go here and log into my account. And as you can see, my account has been logged in here. Now what you have to do, you have to use this webhook URL. So just copy it. Go back to Razorpay dashboard. Go here at settings. Now click on webhooks. Now what you have to do is you have to click on add new webhook. Now here you have to paste the webhook URL that we copied from here, and then you can see a secret field here, an alert email field here. We do not want to touch them. We do not want to mess up with them. And now what we are going to do, we are going to select payment failed from the active events. So you can just type in payment.failed and you can just select it directly. Then come down and click on create webhook. So you can see a new webhook has been created here. And now here in Pabbly Connect, you can see it is waiting for the webhook response. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a dummy payment here, and after making that dummy payment, we will select the payment procedure as a failure. What will happen that the failed payment details will be captured in the Pabbly Connect account. Now let's do this. So here is my page, social media marketing tutorial. I'll just copy it here and I'll just paste it here. And now I'll just put in all the fields here. My first name is Sharma. Sorry, my first name is Arpit. My last name is Sharma. Okay, the email is arpitsharma@gmail.com, and phone number is another dummy number which I'm going to use, 9876545678. Okay. Now I'm going to pay 400 rupees, which I am not going to pay basically, which means I am going to fail the payment. So a dummy card number 4111111111111. And here obviously Arpit Kumar Sharma is my full name and the CVV. Now pay, skip saving card, and one-time password successfully sent to the phone number linked to your card ending with 1111. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to cancel the payment, which in turn means the payment has been failed. So I will just click on cancel and it is saying yes. Are you sure you want to cancel the payment? Yes, cancel. And as soon as I will cancel the payment, which means the payment has been failed, I will go back to Pabbly Connect here and you can see the response received here, which is this. Payment failed, payment, 400 rupees, this, and these are the details. The card name is Arpit Kumar Sharma. Email name is arpitsharma@gmail.com. This is my phone number, this is my first name, and this is my last name. Okay. So we have all the information that we need here. And now what I am going to do, I am going to add a new action window here, which would be Telegram. So let me just select Telegram here, or Telegram bot. And here what I am going to do, I have this, what should I say? I have this option, send a text message or a reply HTML. So I'll just click on this and I will connect it. But before connecting it, let me open the Telegram, because I have to first connect my Telegram with my mobile phone, and after that I am going to show you how it's done. So I have opened my Instagram here. Sorry, not Instagram. So I have opened my Telegram web here. As you can see, this is the Telegram. Now what I am going to do, first I will just go back here at Pabbly Connect and I will connect my Telegram. Now how I am going to do that, I will just go and click on add new connection, and here you have to enter the token. Now from where you will find this token. So what you have to do is you have to follow these steps, and after following these steps you will get your token. So let me go and follow these steps. First here we have to go to bot father. Okay, just select bot father. After selecting bot father, click on start, and as soon as you will start it, it will ask you what you want to do. So what you want to do, you want to create a new bot. So just copy this and just paste this and enter. And as soon as you will press enter, it will ask you, all right, how are you going to call it? So I am going to call it Razorpay automation. So just press enter. Now it is asking you how are you going to put it as a username. So you can see, if you want to use it use this bot, you need to give it a username, and after that you need to use bot at the end. Okay, so I am just going to write Razorpay _automation _bot. Okay, so this will be the name which I am giving it. Send. And now you can see this here is our token. So you have to copy this token from here and you have to paste this. Just copy this and paste this in your Pabbly Connect. Ctrl+V. Now as soon as you will click on save, you will see that your Telegram will get connected to your Pabbly Connect account, and now here it is asking for the chat ID. Now what you are going to do here, you will come back to your Telegram account, and here you have to create a new group for the chat ID, and where the chat ID, where you will get the chat ID to put in the Telegram. But there is one minor change what I would suggest you, because there can be a confusion for you, and that is why I just deleted the groups here which I made a few minutes ago, and I want to show you something. Can you see this web.telegram.org/k? Whenever you will do this, as you can see, it is written K here. So after this slash, there should be your chat ID, but your chat ID is not here. Now, why is that? It is because there are two versions of Telegram. First one with the K and second one with the Z. When you will switch to Z version, automatically when you will click on any channel or any group or whatever the person's name is, you can see here is an ID. Now this is your chat ID. This will be your chat ID, and for different people, for different groups, there will be a different chat ID. So if you are running your Telegram on version K, you have to switch it to Z version. And now here what you have to do, you have to create a new group here. Now what you will do, before even creating a group, first you will have to start this Razorpay automation bot. So just click on Razorpay automation bot, and after clicking on here, you have to just click on start. So as soon as you will start it, you will see that the Razorpay automation bot has been started here. Now just go here, click on new group, and here just go for Razorpay underscore automation, and this is your bot, Razorpay underscore automation underscore bot. Just name the group Razorpay payments and just create it. So you can see I have created Razorpay payments group, and here I have two people, Arpit Sharma and Razorpay automation. Now if you want to work on your automation, and if you want your automation to work, what you have to do, you have to go to your mobile phone, because this feature is not available in the desktop version. You have to make this Razorpay automation bot an admin of your Razorpay payments group. So I'm just going to do this from my mobile. Okay, so now I have made this Razorpay automation an admin of this Razorpay payment group. Now here you can see we are both the admins now. Now what will happen? Whenever I'll run my automation, an automatic message will be sent to my Telegram channel. Now let me show you one more thing like this. Here the bot father has a different chat ID. Razorpay automation has a different ID, and this has a different ID. Now what you want to do is, you want to copy this ID after Z. You have to copy this ID after Z here, and then you have to go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the ID here. Okay, so this would be your chat ID, and this chat ID will help you send the messages from your Razorpay account, or I should say the Razorpay payment details through Pabbly account here in your Telegram bot, or I should say Telegram channel through Telegram bot. Okay. Now the text message will be, hello team, the Razorpay payment for user. And now I am going to use a technique which is called mapping. Mapping will let me take the data from this window, and it will let me map the data here in this window. The Razorpay payment for user, Arpit Sharma, which is this Arpit. Okay, I'm sorry, wait a minute. Okay, cool. So Arpit space Sharma has been cancelled, failed. Please talk to him, her about Please talk to him, her about this and resolve the issue. Okay. And now I am going to map in the details. Now email is arpitsharma@gmail.com. And now I am going to map in the phone number. So number is +91 9876. You can use your country code, whatever the country code you have in your country. Now I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will click on save and send test request, it is saying chat not found. So let's see what's the problem. What happened? So everything looks good. Hello team. Okay. So I'm really sorry for this mistake, and this is a very good opportunity for me to tell you all also that you do not have to use this hashtag here. I just copied the hashtag and I forgot to delete the hashtag from here, because if you will use the hashtag, the process will not work properly. Now let us do it once more without that hashtag, and let's see if the automation works. And voila, it is working. So you can see how silly mistakes can make your automation go wrong, but I have corrected my mistake and I don't want you to do that, and that is why I have shown you that please do not make these kind of mistakes so that your automation can work properly. So here the label is OK1, result message ID 8, whatever the information is available here will be sent to the Telegram channel. Now let me go back here in Telegram and you can see Razorpay automation. Hello team, the Razorpay payment for user Arpit Sharma has been cancelled, failed. Please talk to him, her about this and resolve the issue. Okay. Now we are going to make one more payment here. Let me just go here and let me just select another name, Swati. Last name is Sharma. Email is swatisharma@gmail.com. Phone number is another dummy number 98765746657. Great. Paying 400 rupees. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a dummy card, put in a dummy card number here, put in a dummy expiry date here. Not 12, 12 is gone, 24. Swati Sharma is the name on the card and CVV is 789. Now pay. And as soon as I will click on cancel, the payment will be cancelled or the payment will be failed and the message will be sent to the Telegram channel. So you can see here, we have a new message. Hello team, the Razorpay payment for user Swati Sharma has been cancelled, failed. Please talk to him or her about this and resolve the issue. So this is how you can connect your Telegram channel with your Razorpay, and whenever a payment will get failed in the Razorpay account, an automatic message will be sent to your specific Telegram channel, to your team, where it can be worked upon. So if you love this automation and if you want to, clone this automation, you can clone this automation in your account from my description box. But for that, you need to sign up, and signing up is absolutely free. It will also give you 100 free tasks from our side. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.